chill today, wandering the streets. This is a really cool spot for some of the older stuff. We got Beetle Bailey and Crazy Cat and Betty Boop, all kinds of crazy stuff. It's actually funny because none of the kids around here know what this is. Having a fun time though. Ride, and it is pretty crazy looking, but I am not riding it. I do not do roller coasters that go upside down, but this has been a really great trip here, and I would highly recommend it, especially if you're into like comic books and stuff. There is such cool stuff. Great time, totally recommend.